The All Progressive Congress APC has confirmed that Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje has stepped down as the party national chairman. Ganduje, who was once the governor of Kano State, resigned on Friday, 27th of June 2025. He said he was leaving the position because of health reasons. Ganduje's resignation letter was given to the party's national secretary, Senator Jibola Basiru, and shared with the National Working Committee (NWC). APC spokesperson Felice Moka made the announcement on Friday night. He said Ganduje had worked out during his time as chairman to unite the party and help it win more elections. Moka praised him for attracting members from other political parties and for helping the party win in court cases, even though the official reason for Ganduje's resignation is health. Some people believe that there might be other political reasons behind it. Rumors suggest that his exit might make it easier for another former Kano State governor, Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, to return to the APC. Kwankwaso was the 2023 presidential candidate for the new Nigerian People's Party (NNPP). To fill the leadership gap, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu quickly asked Honorable Ali Buka Dalori, the APC Deputy National Chairman North, to take over as the acting national chairman. Dalori has also been asked to organize a meeting soon to choose a permanent leader.
Ali Buka Dalori,
do solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the All Progressive Congress APC. And that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the All Progressive Congress APC. And the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Glory. Deputy National Chairman of APC.
The APC says it is working to achieve President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda and stay focused on serving the country. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.